Stock market tips, what you need to know. If earning more money is your goal, you should think about putting money in the stock market. The amount of profit to be made is astounding. But, to maximize the money you make by investing in stocks, you have to be smart about it, assuming your desire is to be successful. Keep on watching so that you know where to invest and to learn some tips about the stock market. One way to reduce your risk with investing money in the stock market is to practice diversification. You can do this by investing in a wide range of companies from tech stocks to blue chips. Also invest some of your money into bonds. The easiest way to practice diversification is to purchase mutual funds. Rebalance your portfolio on a regular basis to make sure that you have your money allocated correctly. At least once a year, go over your portfolio to ensure that you do not have too many assets in one sector. That way, if one sector performs poorly, other areas of your portfolio can compensate for those losses. Always keep in mind that money is a tool, not a goal. The money you earn, save and invest serves you towards a goal. The goal might be a boat, a home, or even retirement. You have a target number you are pursuing because that target number means you can afford a lifestyle for you and your family that you do not currently have. As we mentioned before, a possible way to make some extra money is to earn it in the stock market. The more you know about the stock market, the more you will be able to earn. Apply the tips in this videos and you will find yourself getting closer to becoming your own stock investing guru. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.